Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. In today's video, I will be reviewing handmade brushes, and this is from the brand Bayjoy. And if you guys want to hear my thoughts about these handmade brushes, then please keep on watching. I haven't even opened this. I mean, I removed the sticker in this, but I haven't really seen what it looks like inside. So when you take it out from the box, it's going to look like this. It is in this leatherette pouch. It says here 11 pieces makeup brush set, 100% handmade makeup brush. And it has their logo right over here as well. Ta-da! I love the pouch. I can definitely use this when I'm traveling. And they also have their logo here in the zipper, and the zipper is rose gold. Wow, they even have brush guards with it. I'm gonna show you the brushes one by one. So you have your foundation brush. This reminds me of my old Bobbi Brown brush. Focus, come on, there you go. Wow. Doesn't smell anything harsh. And you have a really nice spoolie. You know what? I really don't have like a dedicated spoolie brush, I feel like. This is that. It says eyelash, but I always use this for my brows. By the way, this is my first time filming with my new camera, so if there's inconsistency with the focus, I'm so sorry. I'm still figuring it out. So this is a foundation brush as well. It's a stippling brush. Why do I keep on moving like that? I'm so sorry, guys. We have an angled eyeshadow brush. That is so soft. I love using this type of brush on the sides of my nose. And you have a lip brush. And then you have your powder brush. Yes! The brushes are very lightweight. Sorry. I have mad love for brushes. You guys know that. Let me just take the trash out slowly. And then, oh, thank God. There is an eyebrow brush. And you can also use this for lining your eyes, creating a cat eye. And then you have a concealer brush, and you can also use this under your eye when it comes to smudging. You can actually use the brushes whatever the heck you wanted to, but you know, I'm just showing you or telling you what I actually do with them. And then you have your eyeshadow brush. The next one that I have here is a blusher. It is an angled brush, so I love using these types of brushes when it comes to my contour. So soft. Just what it looks like. And then you have your crease brush. Now let's make a Valentine's Day makeup look. I want something really dramatic, something that says, honey, let's not have dinner, let's just go home because I want to be sexy with you. So as always, if I'm doing a very dramatic look, I would start with my brows. So right now I am using the eyebrow brush. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys that these brushes are very lightweight. So for this brush, not only you can use this specifically for your brows, but you can also use this to create a really nice cat eye look. It is not too thick and it's not too thin, and I think the stiffness of this one will really give you that nice shape, and you can easily draw using it. By the way, guys, let me know if the setting is too dark for you, which is weird because I'm filming in daylight and I already have additional lights here with me, but I'm not so sure how to figure the camera out, so bear with me. And then after that, I'm going to grab on with the concealer brush. So this is really nice and tiny. The size is just right. And you can actually also use this for your lid if you're going to apply glitter or in the inner corner of your eyes. So if you guys are aiming to have that Instagram brows, this is the way to go. Oh, and by the way, the brow product that I have used for my brows is the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in medium brown. And then using the eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dust off my wash color all over my eye area. The palette that we will be using today is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and the shade that I'm putting on right now is called Bay. And then after that, I'm going to warm up my crease using the blender brush. So I am using sandalwood first, and then after that, I will add a little bit of henna, mix them all together really nicely. And then after that, I will be adding flamingo. So I'm going to do a lot of pink base since I wanted to do a monochrome look. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and add Man-Eater on the sides of my eyes, just focusing on the inner and outer V. And then in the middle of my eye, I'm going to use the shade Trust Fund. And I'm just going to do this using my finger because it's easier to apply this way. And then after that, I'm going to add Cocoa. Also focusing that on the inner and outer V. Now it is time for the foundation. You are going to laugh with the foundation shade that I have. Now that I have all of these lights, I just realized that this looks so orangey on me, but calm down, guys, because I will make it up with a powder that I will be using. So this is too warm for me, but you know what? Once it oxidizes, it actually looks good. So just gonna keep on doing that. And I love the fact that this brush, I was actually expecting a crease, but I think it also has to do something with a foundation. And I'm using the newest NARS foundation. I'm actually liking it, but it's just that I have the wrong shade, I guess. And then I'm using the foundation duo brush to apply the powder. And the powder that I'm using right now is the Rimmel London Stay Matte in Creamy Beige. Looking flawless already. Yes. Now back at it again with the eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply henna under my eyes. And on my waterline, I already have Bare Acid, which is the technical liner from MAC. Now I'm going to use the blusher brush to apply my contour, and I'm using the e.l.f. contour palette. No. And of course, I always have that boo-boo all the time. It's either the contour or the blush. So the reason why this happened is because I wasn't able to set my face thoroughly. But don't worry, it's not the end of the world. All you have to do is blend everything out. So if you have a makeup boo-boo like that, you can always use a cotton ball to remove the excess or use another layer of powder to lighten it up. Now using the eyeshadow angled brush, I will be using this to contour my nose because Pinocchio is goals. So we're gonna make our nose really nice and pointy without lying. Seriously, I'm the corniest person ever. Like, legit. I feel like you don't even want to be friends with me in real life. And then I'm gonna apply a highlighter using the powder brush because I don't have any other brush left, so I'm gonna use that. I mean, it looked perfectly fine, admit it. Next time, I'll use it all over my face. So this is the final makeup look, guys. Yes, ready for Valentine's. And the lipstick that I have on right now is Myrrh. Okay, it's one of my favorites. You should try it. I'm gonna zoom myself in so you guys can see how flawless the makeup is after using the brushes. Yeah, girl, HD. Yes. So this is the final makeup look, guys. What do you guys think? I really did enjoy using the makeup brush set. I feel that they are very well made and they literally reminded me of my Bobbi Brown brushes. They are very, very good and they are definitely worth the try. I really feel that they are meticulously made. I love every brush. Every brush that I have used glided very nicely on my face. Nothing scratched my face, like not even the blending brush on my eyes, because I have used crease brushes before and they are very harsh and none of these brushes poked me. So I love it. The quality is there, guys. So that's all I can ever say about these brushes. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload Mondays to Fridays. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!